Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you here about view how you can start to make PDF editable through what we are going to have and use it through our search, and that is about we really right now through what we are going to do and how we can start to see the significant thing. It is about to help you about it, as you can see about what we are going to have and how we can start to see the situation. It is about to be really right now going to have here through the Bluebeam website. As you can see, we are going now to have it through to open the PDF on the Bluebeam and then edit the PDF content to access the editing tools. And this about to choose the appropriate tool such as Snaps tool, shoot to copy content or other editing options. Tap the escape key to exit the editing mode. You can also create and import PDF templates in the Bluebeam by selecting File, New PDF from Template, or creating a new template and saving it for reuse.